Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up TikTok, and if you're scrolling through TikTok and you find somebody that you want to block, just click on the profile picture on the top right. Then you should see an arrow on the top right again, so just click on there. And then at the bottom you should see the option to block, so just tap on that, and this will just let you know they will not be able to send you messages, see your posts, or find your profile. This doesn't include extended scenarios like multi-host live streams, duets posted by others, or group chats you both participate in. They will not be notified that you block them. So if you're happy with all that, all you have to do is click block, and that will block their account. Thanks for watching,